Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening system settings immediately. Do not idle. On Windows, press Windows key plus I. On Mac OS, click the Apple menu, then System Settings. Once there, use the search box and type Taskbar, Dock, or Navigation to find the UI panel fast. Make sure you are signed into an admin-capable account so changes apply system-wide. Once found, leave this window open. You'll make the first visible change in the next step, and you'll want quick access back to these controls. You now change the navigation layout and options directly. Select position, bottom, top, left, or right, and decide if you prefer auto-hide for more screen space. This is the fastest visible difference. Next, adjust icon size and alignment, and enable small icons if you need compact navigation. If the settings offer an advanced or developer mode, enable it only if you understand the extra toggles. Those give finer control over animations and behavior. Once done, preview the adjustments before applying them system-wide. You finish by applying and verifying the change. Click Apply or Save, and for Windows, restart Explorer or sign out then in so the navigation updates immediately. On Mac OS, a logout often does the trick. Test across apps and different resolutions, and confirm behavior on any external monitors. If the navigation doesn't behave as expected, reset the navigation settings to defaults, then reapply your choices. If problems persist, create a new user to isolate profile issues. That single troubleshooting tip solves most stubborn UI.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.